A Hazel Green woman shares her experience fighting the coronavirus.
It would take me to eat, let's say a sandwich. It would take me like an hour just because I couldn't breathe because I was so short of breath.
Asha Voisin says people should take the virus seriously, but she also wants people to understand that you can recover from it. WAY 31's Megan Reyna joins us live outside the Lincoln Health System in Fayetteville, where she spent days in the ICU. Megan.
Yep, that's right. Ashley Voisin actually spent 4 days here, to be exact, away from her family in intensive care. And while she told me that it was scary at times, she's now back at home, recovering and feeling much better.
I kind of started feeling tired, a little fatigued, headaches. So I was like, oh man, these pollen is really bad.
It started off as what she thought was just seasonal allergies, but her symptoms quickly escalated within just a few days.
It was just so difficult to breathe. I was sitting on the couch just gasping for air.
Her husband, a paramedic, took her vitals and consulted with a doctor over the phone.
The doctor's like, yeah, your heart rate is 140. You're going to the emergency right now. Like, you're going now.
Within an hour of getting to the ER, Voisin was in the ICU.
It was some nights very frustrating and scary because I can't, you can't see your family. You can't, they can't come and see you. So you're basically in this room. But I never felt like my life was in danger.
And while she was there, her 11-year-old daughter started showing symptoms. Then her 14-year-old son followed. She says they won't be tested, but doctors are assuming they both have it.
I have two. More of a surgery mask.
Her daughter is already feeling better, but she's still worried about her son. He has asthma.
Because he is at one of those high risks. And, if we could just get this social distancing done, then less lives are going to be at risk.
And while she says coronavirus shouldn't be considered a death sentence, it shouldn't be treated lightly.
And I think that's the best approach, is to respect and understand it. It's not just a flu. This is not in our DNA. This is not something that our bodies can naturally fight. But at the same time, we also need to know what our bodies are capable of and keep that fear, talk people off the ledge.
Although she was treated here in Tennessee, her case will be counted in Alabama. And as far as when she fully recovers, she will be seeing a specialist to make sure that there's not any long-term damage done to her lungs. Reporting live in Fayetteville, Megan Reyna, WAY 31 News.